Hi, in this video, we will build the OR logic gate using transistors. Logic gates are the basic building blocks of digital electronics. They are used inside microcontrollers, processors, and digital circuits. Today, we will see how the OR logic gate works using simple components like transistors, resistors, and the LED. First, let's look at the circuit in simulation. Here we are using two NPN transistors. Each transistor represents one input of the OR gate. Input A is connected to the base of the first transistor. Input B is connected to the base of the second transistor. The LED represents the output. The working principle is simple. If any one transistor turns on, current flows through the circuit and the LED turns on. That is exactly the behavior of an OR logic gate. The truth table of an logic or gate is very simple. If both inputs are low, the output is low. If any one input is high, the output becomes high. So the output becomes high when A or B is high. Now let's build the same circuit on a breadboard. Here I am using BC547 transistors. The blue button is input A, and the red button is input B. The LED is the output indicator. Now let's test the truth table. Both switches are off. The LED is off. When I press the first button, the LED turns on. Now I press the second button. Again the LED turns on. Both switches are pressed and the LED is on. This matches the truth table of the OR gate. So this is how we can build a logic or gate using transistors. Understanding these basic circuits helps us learn how digital electronics works at the hardware level. If you are interested in learning electronics and embedded systems through practical projects, check out more tutorials on Edcret. Thank you for watching.